Tell us where we are, Scott.
We're at the Palapa bar in Ambergris Caye, Belize. Say Jody, say hello, words.
Some of the crew and some of the patrons. Everywhere you look in this bar, the place has been written on by everybody leaving a note. It might look hectic, but they do have a system.
Wait! Yeah, squeeze it out!
People said if you go to the Palapa, have the pulled pork sandwich, so that's exactly what we did. And they were right, it was pretty damn tasty. But there is more to this marvelous place. Important safety message, please pay attention. It could be you that gets reamed.
It's definitely causing shrinkage. I can guarantee that.
I'm sure that's what he wants on his video.
How civilized, have your beer delivered in a bucket. And then there are the mermaids that we see swimming by. No, he's not one of them. As the light fades from the sky, the crowd begins to thin, but eventually the last ones of us need some gentle persuasion to get us off the Palapa.
The Palapa bar in Ambergris Caye, Belize.